go up the up that ridge.
Actually, if you came over this side, you could probably get in the ridge easier, but
yeah, it's going to be hard.
Let's get that right rear wheel to actually get on.
Yeah.
the problem is, it's going to probably. I'm going to try and get it. And it's just going to slip in the crevice.
Well, if you can get the front wheel on.
Yeah, but I bet you as soon as I go to do this, I'm going to slip in.
It might not be so bad.
Oh, come on. Come on.
So close. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
but
moved.
it's
It
gonna,
moved.
yeah, but it keeps. I think it's slipping on my diff or something.
No, the diff definitely.
Oh, the diffs are clearing?
No, it definitely moved up. Oh, it moved. Oh, that could be good.
Nah, it's.
Yeah, it could. Can you go back about it? See if you can go back a tiny bit more. Yeah, now go. No, you're off the ground.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Ah, bugger. Oh, dude.
Oh, so close. We're trying to align on the portals.
0x4. Sorry.
Portals are banned in our club now. Very nice though. I'll give it an exemption because it's a good build.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
It's actually broken, mate.
Dude, so close to getting home. Oh, dude. Oh, yep.
That's what you did. Yeah. We're too top heavy, are they?
Oh, what happened there?
Made it.
There was a finger there. I turned away for a second. Alright, let me do it and I'll do it with the finger.
Go on then.
I don't know, unless you ran out of battery.
Yeah, you ran enough.
Yeah, he's down a path.
There we go.
Yeah, it was just the tiniest
I
touch,
know,
eh?
it's always what you need. Then you put more brass on it, don't work.
Yeah.
Straight through the centre there.